this is our school, SM Imtiaz, YT Dungun.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Rabiatun.
Hi, I'm Atira.
Hi, I'm Fatin.
And I'm Fazrin. Now, we're gonna present about...
Alright class, today we're gonna learn outside the classroom. Mini portable board! So the problem statements are: first, we can't bring the whiteboard anywhere except the classroom. Second, it is difficult for the teacher to explain something learning outside the classroom. Third, the whiteboard is not available outside the classroom. Fourth, the student have difficulty in understanding the subject. Lastly, the student have difficulty to answer exam questions.
For the solutions, we can make a mini portable whiteboard. Then, we can use the 5R concept, which is reduce, reuse, recycle, recovery, and reject. Lastly, we can use paper and plastic to make the product.
The materials that are needed to make the product are mineral bottle box, a plastic bottle, A3 white paper, hook, transparent plastic cover, PVC pipe, chalkboard, and rope.
The base of our product uses recycled mineral bottle box and plastic bottle, so it doesn't cost anything. And other item will cost you about 30 ringgit. A3 white paper will cost you 1 ringgit, hook for 5 ringgit, transparent plastic cover for 2 ringgit, PVC pipe for 21 ringgit, chalkboard for 5 ringgit, and rope for 2 ringgit. So this is a sketch of our product. On the front we put a whiteboard, while on the back we put a blackboard. For the side of the box, we insert a piece of plastic bottle to put marker and chalk. For the left part, we put a PVC pipe. The function of PVC pipe is for when we teach while standing, this product can reach our head.
There are lots of advantages from this product. This product can high up to the standing person level. Second, this product is lightweight. Third, it's easy to bring this product anywhere. Fourth, the student can easily catch up with the learning. And lastly, it can be folded and carried anywhere you go. This is the shape of the product after being full. Inside the box, there is a hook whose function is to hold the leg of the product. In addition to that, the product has a strap that is used for easy carrying anywhere.